Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn about family and relationship. Woman, women, man, man, husband and wife, husband and wife, parents, mother, father, mother and father are parents. This is a baby. These are children. This is daughter. This is son. These are grandparents. Grandfather. Grandmother. This is granddaughter. This is grandson. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.